Pawpaw Sammy here. My cows eating grass, the wind blowing, and the temperature is dropping like a rock. It's gonna go down into the 20s tonight. I'm guessing right now it's around 50. It was 70 yesterday. So what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna plant my potatoes. And here again, people, this bed has been laying here for days, full of grass and leaves, a lot of compost. And I'm fixing to put them potatoes in it. All right. As I plant them, I'll talk. It's hard to plant and film with one hand, but I'm gonna tell you, as cold as it is, I want in and I want out. Had a phone call from one of my buddies when I was planting my potatoes. You planting potatoes? It's going down to 20-something degrees tonight. I said, yeah, but they're gonna be 8-9 inches in the ground, and they're gonna have, if you'll look, all this grass and leaves on top of them. You can believe those potatoes are not even gonna know about that weather. I promise you. Taking care of them potatoes. Anyway, it's extremely cold, and I'm trying to hurry up and get through, because I don't want to be out here no longer than I got to. Anyway, like and subscribe. I don't know if you can see them, but as I'm digging to plant these potatoes, the worms are everywhere. That's why I preach it. Keep it composted. Even when you're not using it, keep it composted. That bed will lay there for months, and the grass and stuff is decaying and the worms are surviving, and it just makes the dirt better and better. You can plant anything in it. You can't even tell I've been here. With all that compost on top, it looks undisturbed. And I guarantee you, those potatoes are down in there snug. And by the way, fun fact, see that right there? I called that clover one time, and it didn't take me about 2 hours till I was ever more corrected. That is not clover. So that's the only thing I'll leave growing in my garden. I was under the impression that it put nitrogen back in the soil. So I'll remove everything, but I'll let a little bit of that grow until it starts getting out of hand, and I'll pull it. Other than that, that's up. The potatoes are in.